In this bucket. Yep. Alright, let's get a better picture. See if we get a thumbnail. In the bucket. That's not going to be a good thumbnail. Okay. Bucket. Oh. 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 Anyways. Okay. So today is trash day. We're doing the beauty empties. I'm also doing a lipstick challenge, and appropriately I've had lipstick all over my teeth. So, whatever. Let's start in on these empties. I was really super excited about this month. It just ended up with a really high total. Now, if you don't know, I'm doing a Bob series. That's Beauties on a Budget. My goal for this year was to use more than I spend. So, let's get into it. First of all, let's just start with some makeup here. I like to start with the exciting things. So first of all, we have the LA Girl Slim Shady Brow Pencil in Espresso. It's just one of those little fine tip ones. And it has a spoolie on the end. Not too excited about that spoolie. I like a really small spoolie for my brows. But anyways, I had heard that this was a dupe for the Brow Wiz. I don't really think it was all that, but I would purchase it again if, like, I can get a MAC one or something. I like to keep a pencil around. So that was $5.99. Next, there was the Hourglass Caution Extreme Mascara. This is just a mini, but this mini is worth $14. That's crazy. Anyways, the product was nice, but the packaging is really big and bulky, and then right next to it has this huge brush. Not too excited about all that. Okay, next, there was the Milani Make It Last, and this is $8.97. I really like this spray. As everyone knows that's been on this channel, I love my sprays, so, this will definitely be a repurchase. I think that was a repurchase. I mean, something that I've used for a long time. Next, this is the AOA Studio Pawpaw Edition Wonder Blender. And this is like $1.55 off of the Shop Miss A site. I will link that down below. This is the teardrop one, which is usually my favorite shape. I generally like these. But the beveled one seems to be softer, so I've kind of switched over to that. But I love these. They're super cheap. They're not the best. But for the price, I definitely will use these. Okay, next, there was the Garnier SkinActive Micellar Cleansing Water. And yeah, there's a little bit left in there. I don't care. I do not like this stuff. I got a sample of this, and I thought, wow, that's really great. And I bought the full size. And you know, using the sample was fine. Using about half of this was fine. But then after that, it was like, you know what? There are better products out there. I don't like Micellar water. So that was $8.99. Next, this was a Shiseido Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate Serum. Now, I thought this would be amazing, and it wasn't. There was enough in here where I got quite a few uses out of it. I mean, this was a pretty good deluxe size. And there was 10 mils in here. This is worth $23.33. I won't repurchase that. Next, there was the Clarins, and this is worth $5.49. This is the Clarins Pore Control. It's a little serum. There was like 3 mils in here, but I'll tell you, it was enough to know that I would definitely want this again. Next, there was the Kate Somerville ExfoliKate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. I think these are overpriced for what they are. I really do. A lot of it I couldn't use. I won this, actually, in a giveaway. And I had sensitivity to it. This I could use. You just use it like a couple times a week. That's it. And it was nice, but I just think it's expensive for what it is. This is worth $24. Okay, next. There was Exuviance Performance Peel AP25. There was just one in here, like, to see if you like it. It's okay. I think the Dr. Gross is better. If you don't know what these are, it's like a peel. You get step 1. You put it on your face. You wait a couple of minutes or maybe a minute. I don't remember what it was. But anyways, then you use the other pad to deactivate it. And I like the idea of a peel. I really do enjoy using one. They're just an expensive product in general, and that one was worth $6.42. Next, there was the Naisture Elastic Q10 sheet mask, and this was just nothing special. Next, I used the and that was $1. Next, I used the Naisture Cherry Blossom Moisture Hand Mask. You put it on your hand for, I think it was 15 minutes. And it was very moisturizing. I really did like this product. I would definitely buy it again. And that was $1.50? Yes. And then there was the Epielle Moisturizing Socks. You put these on. You let them sit for a little while, 20 minutes. And then you take them off. It moisturizes your feet. I have bought this before and I will buy it again. I really like it. It was $1.50. Next, there was sunscreen. I had a little Supergoop and a big Supergoop. Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. This is my favorite sunscreen. I've bought multiple ones. I'm using another one right now. It all started with one little sample that I got from Sephora like months ago. And then after that I got another sample and I bought one. And I love this stuff. So this one is worth $6.40 and this is $32. Next, there was the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. This is a $10 mini. So, it lasted a long time because I didn't use a lot at one time. The smell is so good and it lingers so long. You really don't need to use a lot. I mean, it's extremely moisturizing as well. That's why you don't need to use a lot. And then the smell lingers. So, I love the smell. Next was the Freeman Barefoot Hydrating Foot Lotion. This is the Peppermint Plum one. I love the smell. I don't use it like for a foot lotion because it's way too thin and lightweight for that. I use it as a body lotion. And this was worth $5.41. Next, there was the Avon Footworks. And this is what I use on my feet. This is the Maximum Strength Cracked Heel Cream. It does have some lidocaine in it. That also helps. I'm diabetic, so this is, it feels really good to use this every night. And this was $7.98. Next. Okay, this is kind of an explanation here. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Paradise. This comes usually when Physicians Formula has like a set that comes out, you'll get this. Now, I got a set from Physicians Formula. It was the Butter Collection, and it had highlighter, blush, bronzer, a body butter, and this eau de toilette. And so it said that it was a $70 retail value. I looked up everything and how much those would be. I figured the body butter was pretty small. I figured it would be like worth $5. So So what was left out of that $70 after I subtracted what everything else was worth was $26.15. So I figure this is $26.15 worth of eau de toilette. Was it good? Yes. And I got compliments on it. Would I purchase it again? No. It wasn't that great. I wanted to try the body butter. I wanted to try the perfume. I did. I'm over it. Thank you very much. Next. Okay. This is a Revlon nail enamel. And it is in the color Molten Magic. This was in a project pan for Glow to the Ancient Gods. I'll link that up here. I'm really loving that project pan. It's a really good one. And I don't think I've ever finished a nail polish before. I mean, like, usually it gets goopy before you actually finish it. And this, I mean, I finished it. It is empty. It looks like there's some in there, but that's just stuck to the bottle. It is, that last time I used it, I didn't even know if I was going to be able to get enough out to do my nails. Okay, that nail polish is worth $5.57. Next, this is a repurchase and a repurchase and a repurchase, and unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to be able to repurchase this. This is the Kardashian Beauty Dry Seed, or Black Seed Dry Oil. I use this for my hair all the time. It was, I mean, just the tiniest bit. I put it through my hair. It's wonderful. I originally got a sample of this in a BoxyCharm, so you know it's been a long time. And I just kept repurchasing it. Well, not the first time, but like the second to the last time I purchased this, it was like $30. And then I bought this one for $17.45. And now I can't find it. There's one person selling one bottle on Amazon for $99. And I'm like, are you crazy? But, I mean, there are other oils out there. This just happened to be my favorite one. It worked the best with my hair. Okay, next is Hollywood Beauty Olive Creme. And, yeah, it's not olive cream. It's olive creme. And this is worth $5.42. I repurchase these all the time. I love to put them in my hair, braid my hair, and it makes my hair so soft in the morning. I use it like an overnight mask for my hair. And I love it. It's wonderful. Okay, next. That was $5.42. I don't know if I said that. Next is the Christoph Robin. This is, what is it officially called? Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. It's $19. It's a mini. The big one's like over $50. And this lasts me for months. I just use it twice a week. Just a little bit in your hair. I don't have a lot of hair, so maybe that's why it lasts so long. Whatever. The point is that this is a repurchase. I'm not sure if I'm going to repurchase it again. I'm losing my hair. I'll link that up above. I'm just getting to the point where I'm getting tired of fighting it. Okay, next was the Suave Keratin Infusion Smoothing Conditioner. Ew, there's a hair on it. This is terrible. Would I repurchase it again? No. And this was $3. And then next was 4 hair ties. Now that I'm having to buy hair ties, I'm counting them. So this is 4 cents. Thank you very much. So, go ahead. Guess what my total was, because it was huge. $241.18 used in this bucket. Yep. Alright, let's get a better picture. See if we get a thumbnail. In the bucket. That's not going to be a good thumbnail. Okay. Bucket. Oh. 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 Anyways. Okay. So my previous balance was that I had spent $114.32 more than I had used. Now, my new year to date is that I have used $126.86 more than I have spent. Thank you very much. This is a huge bucket. Actually, to tell you the truth, this bucket isn't as full as it's been at other times, but I swear, I think that's the most I've ever used in 1 month. So, who knows? I did spend a lot this month, though. I'll link that video up here. So, anyways, I think we're doing really well. And if you want to join me on my journey, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!